Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cam the cat Squishmallow wearing a cute Christmas sweater. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a large curve at the top here. Now from the left side, let's continue it down and curve it in at the bottom. And the same on the right. Now let's connect the two sides at the bottom with the curve. And that's it for the shape of the body. Let's move in and draw the face next. Let's start at the top in the center here and draw the nose. Now let's add the mouth underneath with a curve down to the left and down to the right. Next, let's add the eyes. Let's start with the curve on the left here. And the same thing on the right. And then two lines on both cheeks for the whiskers. Next, let's hop up to the top left of the head and let's draw a curve here. And that's it for the face. Let's move on top and add the ears next. On the top right, let's draw a curve up and then curve it back down. And let's do the same thing for the left ear. Now inside both ears at the top, let's add one more curve. And that's it for the ears. Let's move down and draw the sweater now. Let's move down under the face and let's draw a curve across for the top of the sweater. And the same thing for the bottom of the sweater down here. Okay, now let's add the details to the sweater. At the top, let's add another curve across here. Now let's leave a space and add two more curves again. And now let's do the same thing at the bottom. Next, at the top underneath this line, let's draw circles all the way across. And now let's do the same thing at the bottom on top of the line. Next, in the center, let's draw the Christmas pattern across. Let's start by drawing a Christmas tree in the top center here. Let's draw two lines down, bring it in, angle it down again, and then close off the bottom. And now underneath for the second row, let's draw a cat head. Let's draw a curve at the top, two pointed ears, and then a circle at the bottom to close it off. Now let's finish off both rows by alternating between tree and cat head, like this. And now let's do the same thing for the bottom row, but opposite. And that's it for Cam the cat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!